Yo guys, and today we are going to be shooting some Nerf bullets. So let's get to it. And by the way, let me show you something first.
Before we start getting to shooting, I am an OG McDonald's cup. You get me?
So we're going to put this back up here. We're going to do some shots. So let's go. That's one. Let's do that again. We knocked one pin down. Got another one. Let's go. Got another one. My aim is insane, chat. I mean, guys, I'm not even streaming. What is this guy talking about? Let's go, let's get that one over there. That. Got two down, bro. Come on. I'm just too good, guys. How can I get that? Oh my days. I haven't missed a single bullet. I'm actually insane. Oh my. Yo. I'm too good, man. Come on. Oh, I missed. Let me grab these bullets. Let me snatch that.
Bullets. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Man down, man down. He's knocked, he's knocked. How am I missing? No, 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 no.
Yes. Got one. Got blue one. Let's go. Come on. Like the glasses, yeah? Let's go. We knocked all of them down. It's been your boy, JJ Small, and peace.